Hi everyone, it's February the 8th, 4 p.m. in the afternoon, Northeast Georgia, USA. The sky is completely washed out. It's looking east to the north. It's pretty consistent. We actually got snow today, which isn't completely unheard of, but what I wanted to let you know is 2 days ago on the 6th of February, it was almost 70 degrees and we had tornadoes spotted near my area within a 5-mile distance or so. The snow is melting rather quickly. Anyway, expect the weather to continue to change rapidly, day to day. Keep your minds clear and your hearts true and in love. May Father be with us all, Father God of all. Have a great day.